Good morning, student. So, in the previous video, we already discussed about isosceles triangle theorem. So, today we are going to start the converse of isosceles triangle theorem. So, isosceles triangle theorem is in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then two angles are equal, angle opposite to them are equal. So, the converse is if two angles are equal, then side opposite to them are also equal. So here the statement is if two angles of a triangle means एक triangle में दो एंगल कैसे हैं equal are equal then side opposite to them means इस एंगल का opposite side हो गया AC and C एंगल का opposite side हो गया AB then side opposite to them are also equal. तो जो statement if को follow करता है this statement is called the given. इसको क्या बोलेंगे given. तो given information क्या है in triangle ABC angle B is equals to angle C. This is the given information. Now what we are to prove जो then को follow कर रहा है वो true रहेगा. Then sides opposite to them are equal. तो एंगल B का opposite side हो गया AC is equals to C का opposite side हो गया AB. So AC is equals to AB. Now we make one construction and that construction is same that we already use in isosceles triangle theorem. तो क्या construction करेंगे see? We draw the bisector of angle A which intersect BC at point D. Same construction. Draw bisector of angle A which intersect BC at point D. कहां पे इंटरसेक्ट किया उसने? D में इंटरसेक्ट किया. अब हमको यहां पे दो ट्राइंगल दिखाई दे रहा है यहां पे. So first we start here in triangle. कौन सा ट्राइंगल लेंगे? BAD and second triangle CAD. Okay. Here in both the triangle, angle B is congruent to angle C because it is given information. Got it? अब B के बाद में मींस एंगल के बाद में आएगा आपका साइड, मगर साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट है क्या? नहीं, द साइड इज नॉट ए कॉन्ग्रुएंट. साइड के बाद में आता है एंगल, तो एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट दिख रहा है, तो यहां पे एंगल लेंगे. एंगल BAC BAD is congruent to angle CAD because by using the construction, and the third one is एंगल हो गया, साइड नहीं दिया है, एंगल हो गया. अब साइड, तो नाउ दिस साइड इज नथिंग बट दी कॉमन साइड. सो बाय यूजिंग कॉमन साइड कंसेप्ट, सेगमेंट AD is congruent to segment AD because it is common side. Therefore, triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by AAS, angle side, by AAS test. So by using this test, these two triangles are congruent, and as these two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are also equal. Corresponding sides में हम बोल सकते हैं AB is equals to AC. AB is equals to AC. This is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now here next question number 2, because question number 1 we already taken in the previous video. So in question number 2, in triangle ABC, so triangle ABC is given. AD is the perpendicular bisector, so there are two words. The first one is the perpendicular and second is the bisector of BC. तो AD क्या है? BC के ऊपर perpendicular है, perpendicular means 90 डिग्री का एंगल है. And bisector है BC का, bisector means what? BD is equals to what? CD. Means D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Now what we want to show? We want to show that ABC is an isosceles. Isosceles means दो साइड आपको इक्वल दिखाने हैं, और वो दो साइड कौन सी इक्वल दिखानी है? AB is equals to AC. So for AB is equals to AC, we have to consider triangle 1 and triangle 2 here. So here in triangle BAD and triangle CAD, अब दोनों ट्राइंगल में चेक करेंगे AD is congruous to AD because the same side in both the triangle. Therefore AD is congruous to AD. It is common side. Okay. Now second AD हो गया. अब परपेंडिकुलर है तो 90 डिग्री का एंगल दिख रहा है यहां पे. So angle ADB is congruous to angle ADC because each of 90 degree. परपेंडिकुलर है तो 90 डिग्री का एंगल हो गया. And the third one is DC. DB is equals to DC. So BD is congruous to DC because it is again given. Because D is the midpoint of BC. Because AD is the bisector of BC. Okay. Therefore, triangle BAD is congruous to triangle CAD by which test? Side angle side test. And as these two triangles are congruent, therefore AB is equals to AC. This is CP CT, and as AB is equals to AC, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now next question number 3. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. So naturally AB is equals to what? AC. तो यहाँ पे दिया है, यहाँ पे AB is equals to AC. It's given. तो यहाँ पे दो ट्राइंगल हम लोग सेपरेट ड्रॉ कर लेते पहले. Okay. This is of your first triangle ABE. इसमें ये और ये एंगल दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी. और दूसरा एंगल कंसीडर करेंगे दिस वन. See everyone, this is another triangle CFA, ये वाला. तो यहां पे AB is equals to AC is already given. Angle E, that is B, is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB because they are the altitude. Altitude का मतलब हो गया height, and height is always perpendicular to the base. Therefore here each of 90 degree, ये आ गया एक. तीसरा यहां पे एंगल A, यानी एक ही एंगल है तो एंगल A is congruous to एंगल A हो गया. So we can identify the test from any one of the triangle. Okay, so angle side, or we can say that side angle ले सकते हैं हम लोग. तो यहां पे कौन सा टेस्ट अप्लाई करेंगे? एंगल साइड. अब एंगल साइड से दोनों ट्राइंगल बन जाएंगे congruent. So can we write here B is equals to CF because we want to show these altitudes are equal and altitudes are B and CF. So we want to show B is equals to CF. For that we must show that these two triangles are congruent. So here we consider in triangle, start करेंगे in triangle. कहां से शुरू करेंगे? ABE and triangle ACF. So here first we consider angle. So angle BEA, क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर लेना पड़ेगा हमको ये एंगल. So this angle we consider. So BEA congruous to angle B का रिलेशन C के साथ FA because it is given information. Got it? Now angle A, तो यहाँ पे angle A is equals to angle A भी लिख सकते हैं because angle A में एक ही एंगल दिख रहा है. तो angle A is congruous to angle A, or you can write angle BAE congruous to angle CAF. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं because it is common angle. जैसे हमारी कॉमन साइड है वैसे हमारा कॉमन एंगल है. and the third one is AB. AB is congruous to AC. It is given, and therefore triangle ABE congruous to triangle ACF by AAS test. अब AAS टेस्ट से दोनों ट्राइंगल बन गए congruent, therefore corresponding sides are equal, means BE is equals to CF. This is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now in question number 4 and 3 में हमने यूज किया है AAS test. Okay, so AAS test we apply there. So and then that question, isosceles triangle is given and we have to show altitudes are equal. Here altitudes are equal means in question number 4 the altitudes are equal and we have to show that the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so we are not considering that question, means I am not solving that question, it is solved by you people. Now the next question, question number 5. In this question ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. So AB is equals to AC and BD is equals to DC. On the same base BC के ऊपर है ये, show that angle ABD means this complete angle, okay, and angle ACD means this complete angle, we want to show they are equal. Okay, so for the solution what we write here, see, first we consider triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC क्या दिखाई दे रहा है ABC में? AB is equals to AC. This is given information. So as in triangle ABC, if AB is equals to AC, therefore angle ABC is congruous to angle ACB. This is isosceles triangle theorem. So angle ABC is congruous to angle ACB because isosceles triangle theorem. Equation number 1, isosceles triangle theorem लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. Similarly, another triangle we consider in triangle DBC. What is given? BD is equals to CD. This is the given information. Therefore, because two sides are equal, so angle opposite to them are equal, means these two angles are equal. Okay, so angle DBC is equals to angle DCB. This is equation number 2. Okay, so here we write isosceles triangle theorem. Now if we add these two equation, that is 1 plus 2 करेंगे हम लोग, तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? ABC plus DBC, angle ABC plus angle DBC is equals to, लेफ्ट में लेफ्ट को ऐड किया, राइट में राइट को ऐड करेंगे, एंगल ACB प्लस एंगल DCB. अब ABC plus DBC, this become ABD. So complete angle is ABD and this complete angle is ACD. ये दोनों मिलके बन गया एंगल ACD. Got it? And this is proof. So hence proof.